So it looks like I finally figured out what the popping is on the front end. So this is the front leaf spring here. This is the front shackle, the rear front shackle. And I thought maybe it was the bushing in the main leaf, but it's actually this leaf right here. It's one that runs underneath that's making the popping sound. See if I can show you this on camera. See if you can hear it. Pops right there. And if you pry it just to where you get this bottom leaf, pops again. So that is what is making the popping sound. So I don't know exactly what I can do to stop this from shifting, since it's not really attached to anything on this end. It does have this little hanger bracket here, but I could grease it. What are y'all's thoughts? Curious.